Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is the forms in HTML. As you have seen on the thumbnail, the name of the topic is the HTML form. Okay, so we are going to discuss in today's topic what are the HTML form, what are the different types of the forms that we see on different websites. Okay, so that we see on different websites, okay, on the internet. Okay, so we will discuss the HTML forms in today's lecture only theoretically but not practically. Okay, so practically we will discuss it in the next video, understand? So now let's start the today's topic. Okay, so as you are seeing on your screens that I have opened a website here. Basically I want to give you some example about the forms in HTML. Okay, so I have opened the eBay websites where you can buy the products online. Okay, so for buying any product from this website you have to first register yourself. Okay, so for example if I am clicking here, but for example if you have not registered before, so you have to go to the register form, otherwise you have to go to the sign in form. Okay, so I'm going to the register. Okay, so it will take a time because there is a slow internet connection, so just wait for a while. Okay, so as you can see the registration form has been opened. Okay, so basically this is type of form, this is a type of the form. Basically this is the registration forms. Okay, so there are different types of the forms on the websites on the internet. Okay, this is the forms where you have to give information about yourself for registering onto the eBay for buying any product online. Okay, so this is the text field where you have to write your first name. It is asking for the first name of the user. Okay, the person which wants to buy something. Okay, this is the last name. This field is asking for the last name. These things comes under the form. Okay, so forms in HTML, understand? So basically this is the text field where this field is asking for the email of the user, and this is the text field where you have to write the password. Okay, the password for your account on the eBay websites. Okay, so now after this is as the create account button. This is a type of the button that comes under the form in HTML. Okay, so all these things comes under the forms in HTML. All these things are like type of the forms. This is the text field, input text fields, and this is the buttons. Okay, so this is a registration form for the eBay website. There are different types of the forms on the different websites on the internet. Okay, basically this is the registration form. Okay, so what form is now? A HTML form is a section of document which contains controls. What are the controls? So what are controls? Basically these are controls like the text fields, input text fields, the password fields, the button. These are all the controls that comes under the HTML form. Okay, so HTML form is a section of document which contains controls such as text field, password fields, and there are also the check boxes, radio buttons, submit buttons, etc. Basically an HTML form facilitates an HTML form facilitates the user to enter the data that is to be sent to the server for processing, the name, email, address, password, phone number, etc. Basically you entered all these information about yourself, and after that you are clicking on this button like create account. What is happening after this all the information is going to the server. Basically what server is something that is handling all the data on all the websites on the internet. Okay, so server is handling all the data on the internet. Okay, so so all this data will be sent to the server, and server will process all this data, and the server will send a response that you have registered on the eBay website. This is type of the response that comes from the server. Okay, so basically the HTML forms work like this, understand? So this is a type of the form that you can create in HTML using the different tags. Okay, so there are different types of the tags that we use for creating the forms in HTML. Okay, so let's open another website named as the Google. You have used so many times and you are using it for searching something, for doing something, for gaming, and for going on the some different websites. Okay, so you use this website. Basically this is the text field which is asking for from you for write something, for searching something. Okay, so this is also that input text fields that comes under the form. Okay, so this is also an example of the form. This is also comes under the forms in HTML. Okay, so another different types of the forms. Let me show you another example. Like for example, if I am opening the Facebook website, I have opened the Facebook website where you open your account of Facebook and you are able to use the Facebook. Okay, so basically this is the text field where you write the email address or the phone, and this comes under the form as well. Like this is the input text field where which is asking for the email of the person which is about to open his account on the Facebook. Okay, and also this is asking for the password of your account, of your Facebook account, and after that here is the login button. Okay, so this is a type of the button that you create in forms in HTML. So this login form also comes under HTML forms. So now you have discussed so now I think you have a clear understanding what are the HTML form, and what are the different types of the form that we can create in HTML using the different tags in HTML. Also I want to show you some other example. For example, if you don't have the Facebook account, you can click on this button and you can now create the Facebook account using this form. This is a sign up form. Through this form you can create the Facebook account, and after that you will have account and you will be able to use the Facebook. Okay, so this is also another type of the form that you can create using different tags in the forms in HTML. Okay, so this is the text fields where you have to write the first name and the surname. This is the text field which is asking for the email address or the mobile number of the user, and this is the text field which is asking for the password. So this is something new. This is the drop down menu, and when I'm clicking on this thing, it is showing me this options. Okay, so this is like a drop down menu. Okay, so this is like a drop down menu, and this also comes under the HTML forms. Okay, so this is also comes under the HTML forms, and also this is the radio button where you can select only one. Okay, so this radio button also comes under the HTML form. So now this is the radio button. You can create this button using the tag in forms in HTML, and also this is the sign up button. After clicking on this sign up button, you have now created the Facebook account. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have understand today's lecture. Okay, so in the next video we will actually start working on it, that how we can create the HTML forms. Okay, in HTML how can we create different types of the forms, and what are the different types of styling that we can create, that we can do on different HTML forms. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you are liking my videos, kindly subscribe my channel, watch the video from start till the end, and Allah Hafiz, take care.